Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have L.A. Lewis. Now he's talking a bag of things. You need to come over and watch this video. He's talking about, when people in America or abroad, they buy the barrels and stuff and send it for their family members. How when it gets to the wharf and you have to clear it, it's a bit more than you pay for it. It costs a bit more than the amount of money that you would pay to fill the barrel and stuff. So he's saying, that's kind of like a rip off. But just go ahead and watch the video for yourself. Get what you get out of it, because it's a lot of information that's in it. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
That's why I'm telling you, see me I'll cough like the Bob's the great to try over me. People, want to left for the comment now. Want to like and share the show, people. Come on, 100 and add people on the show now. So 100 people are still a good amount of people that, but a joke people that towards what's going on in Jamaica, towards going on in the Caribbean. Now, people, did you know or do you know? Said the government said it's 2.8 million people in Jamaica. Which that is a lie. And more than that. But true, them never want to pay the Queen. I look over a tax, them drop it down. Just say 5 million people in Jamaica, although the government said 2.8 million in Jamaica. But the emperor is going to put it at 5.8 million. A matter of fact, say 6 million people in Jamaica. Say 6 million people in Jamaica. Remember, people, everybody is starving right now. Even the rich people of our say nothing not go for them. Because the government, the amount of raise what the government to raise up things, stipulation what the government may do, you carry a car through the wharf and you have to pay about the same money when you buy it for overseas to clear the car. All when you pay for sending come to Jamaica. You see how things wicked? I'm going to hear nobody talk about that, Because I'm a fair emperor. I'm not only looking out for the poor class of people. I'm also looking out for the rich people. I'm looking out for the trying people, the trying man on the street and the trying woman. Because some people never born rich. But when you do not allow the people to look a chance to get rich, that's stifling the economy and that's stifling them overall. Now, you buy a barrel load of people. But some people don't do maths. You buy a barrel overseas now, and you pay $300 for full the barrel. A food for give your pit to them, or give your family them. When the barrel touch Jamaica now, them are gonna charge you $350 for clear the barrel. I probably look a bit more. People, better to send the money come to Jamaica and tell the people them for buy food. Although $300 people will not full a barrel of food in Jamaica. So I do understand when you say better on a full of barrel, because you can spend all $200 or $100, depends on where you go in a foreign, and full of barrel of food. For send come go, people them who will want it. But when the barrel reach Jamaica, and Joe Wallis and them Chinese friend them put for clear the barrel, so I till all the emperor have to kneel down on him knee and cry. Me have to go down on me knee and cry. No. A man that foreign now, working hard, working money. Him say him come back a yard. Him say that look car come down. Or him say him look a bulldozer come down for them look a farming. Remember, him buy the bulldozer for local and not foreign, Brand new. Or just a second and then. So, who says $300 can full of barrel? Hold on there. And did somebody say $300 can full of barrel? How the muscle, how they live? People, $300 more than can full of barrel. If you go to the place where you call it dollar market them, you buy a couple of butter bean, you don't go buy the rich rice, You go buy the alloy, even if you buy the poor rice in America, it's still better than the rice we have in Jamaica. Because Jamaica don't grow them rice again. Everything has been imported. One time we used to grow rice and grow good rice, and a thing called bulgur. Now, people, You full of barrel now and send come to Jamaica or buy a little car. When they reach the wharf down here, them triple up the price for you. I mean, I hear nobody talk about that. People, one of my friend from Germany, my Caucasian friend, sending a machine and said, Emperor, you can print the maroon IDs with these IDs state of the art. People, I think the machine was about couple thousand US dollar. Because you know that through a maroon government ID we print. So my brethren from Germany, you understand? Buy it. I you know say the man pay for ship the machine in the people out there, you know. Cause a FedEx him said it by. But when you see, no, I'm not tell lie. A DHL him said it by, cause I don't want to tell her like a FedEx. Greetings, Carla.
Yeah.
Yes, my friend. Greetings. We shall have you.
Bless up. What go on, man?
Yeah, I'm on the show. You call for the show or you just call for help me up?
Call for you up, you know?
Alright, because where you call from my family?
I call from Florida.
Alright, pick up my Florida friend them. Now Florida, you feel say
Big up every time.
do you feel say it is right? This is what poor people in Jamaica, how much hungry belly people in Jamaica, and the Prime Minister and Babsy Grange take up $12.8 million and spend on a street sign.
Nah, man, that can't right.
Remember, you know, and about $1,200,000, you know, $12.8 million and spent on a road sign. Mark, welcome to Negril. And the people them down at Negril nearly faint. The people them down there nearly drop down. The people them wonder if them forgot thief the sign. But when the people them go over there, it's a look out piece of zinc up sign. The people them can't even sell it back. So the people them say, what kind of sign is a $12.8 million? Look what hungry belly. No. Carla, me and you work out maths. Them say 3.8 million people that Jamaica, right, Carla?
Yes.
Alright. So, if the Prime Minister now did for knock everybody door in a Jamaica and give them $1 million, wouldn't that take the country out of or wouldn't that slow down poverty in the country?
Yeah, man, but they not going to do that.
But they will take that spend upon a street sign.
What the people then are understanding that the government want to have down the people them where him there head at all time and can tell them some bull crap.
No. Look how make a work out maths. Remember, you know, this is like a maths brain for work out this, you know. This take common sense. That's why I tell you, say, when they talk about them have this degree and that degree, how foolish is them a chat to. How foolish
yeah,
them a chat.
I check the people them, you know, for one long the people them, you know, make the people them feel like they're stupid.
To run a country, just take a thing called common sense. No, watch out, I'm going to show you common sense now. Oh, me can take 5 days and take the country out of poverty. No. If Andrew Wallace did said, Emperor, see $12 million, you know what I would have done with that $12 million?
Yeah.
Since 3 million people in a Jamaica, I would have take $2 million each and stop at everybody else to credit them, the old people and say, listen me, here is $2 million, go start a business. And this is free. I don't want about dollar upon it. So a taxi man now who love run taxi now. In tax him $2.8 million, him can put 3 taxi upon the road with that cars. If him buy some second